everybody, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. I made myself a nice cup of coffee, perfect to get started into a lovely video. Today I want to share with you a couple of items that I picked up from YesStyle. It was actually a gift for my birthday, so that was a couple of months ago, and I've had the chance to try some of these products and I can give you a couple of mini reviews, and some of them I've literally only started using 2 days ago. So without further ado, let's get started. The first item that I picked up are these eye patches. So this brand is called Aronix and they are hyaluronic acid collagen eye patches, which have the most gorgeous purple color, but I haven't had the chance to use these for too long to see whether they're going to be effective or not. I used them for the first time yesterday and literally I only left them on for about 15 minutes, and I think you 10 or 15 minutes, and I think you probably need to leave them on a bit longer than that to see some sort of effect. I do have a very dark under eye area, and also my under eyes are very puffy, so I love eye patches like these, so I picked these up. The next thing that I picked up is this mist from Dr. Althea 345. Their cream is actually incredibly popular. However, I wanted a mist because on some evenings I get a tiny bit too lazy and I skip on my moisturizer, and on evenings like that when I don't want to apply my moisturizer, I just go straight in with this, and I find that it's better to apply something than not apply anything at all. And this one is so incredibly easy to use. There's literally no mess, you don't have to touch it, and I've noticed that it does leave my skin quite shiny and glowy, but I'm not sure if it's got any kind of real benefits to it. So I think for me it works amazingly for what I've picked it up, but I'm not sure if you wanted to use this as your main moisturizer if it would work the same way. The next thing that I picked up, and I only started using 2 days ago, is this eye cream from Mary and May. This is what it looks like. This one was really affordable, and like I mentioned, I do have very dark under eyes, and I'm currently not using any eye creams, and I haven't been using any eye creams for probably a year or two. I attempted to use an eye cream from Seoul 1988 that had, I think, retinol, but then my under eyes got really irritated, so after that I didn't really attempt to use any other eye cream, but I've given this one a go. I bought it in a really small size, so if I don't like it then I can just stop using it or definitely give it to someone else. The next thing that I picked up is this sunscreen from Beauty of Jezen. This is their aqua version. I know the original is really popular, but this is the aqua version, which is much lighter. I absolutely love these for days when I'm not wearing any makeup. It's amazing. It doesn't really leave any kind of residue behind. It doesn't leave you feeling sticky or shiny. But I have noticed if I apply too much, it kind of starts peeling. But on days when I'm not wearing makeup, this is phenomenal. And I also picked up this box of 2 of the sunscreens from Skin 1004, Madagascar Centella Hialusica Waterfit Sun Cream. I have gone through so many bottles of this. I honestly can't even remember how many bottles I've gone through at this stage. This has been my favorite SPF for a year or 2 years now. Probably more like close to 2 years. This is just amazing. The difference between these two is that this one leaves your skin much more shinier and glowy, kind of almost a lit from within kind of glow, whereas this one, if your skin is already quite oily or greasy, this one is much more suitable. This for me personally has worked wonderfully under my House Labs foundation. It's just giving me such a nice lovely makeup base, and I also don't use any primers at all, so for me the sunscreen that I use under makeup is really important because it then affects my makeup as well for the rest of the day. So yeah, these are literal holy grails, and on YesStyle you can actually get duos like this for a much better price. I think when I purchased this it worked out around £7 for each, and if you think about it, that is incredible value for money. I think this one retails for around £20 if you purchase it in the UK, so absolute steal. Next, I also picked up this moisturizer from Purito. This is their Mighty Bamboo, and I've been using it so much. I've been using it almost every night, and it's actually running quite low, so I do need to pick up another moisturizer soon. This is amazing. It's good for summer, it's good for winter. I picked this up in June, so I have used it in the summer season, but I can imagine this would be quite good for the winter season as well. I'm not 100% sure if I will repurchase it when it runs out, just because I've got my eye on something else. And when it comes to moisturizers, I don't really like buying the same one over and over again. I like to try quite a few different ones just to see, you know, just not to get my skin used to something for too long. Whereas when it comes to cleansers, I've been kind of using the same cleanser for the last 7-8 years. I've tried to switch from it, but somehow all the other cleansers that I buy, apart from that one specific one from YesStyle, they just keep breaking me out. I also picked up another cleanser on this occasion. So I picked this one from Round Lab, the Dot Bubble Foam. Doctor Bubble Foam. This is what it looks like, and I know this cleanser in the cream version, or the gel version maybe, is incredibly popular, but I have a feeling that it might be breaking me out. And I think that's what I was trying to say. Every time I've tried the cleanser other than the one from YesStyle, I think they end up breaking me out. So I have used this here and there, but yeah, I'm not 100% sure if I like this one that much. Although I think it can be an amazing cleanser for some people, it's just I found that it hasn't really worked with me. And also, whenever I place an order on YesStyle, of course I have to pick up a bunch of masks. Because I placed this order a couple of months ago, I've already used most of them, but I do have a couple left that I want to share with you. The first one is this one from KBeauty. These come in a bunch of different varieties. The one that I have here is the glutathione niacinamide. And I know they have loads of others. I have picked up others. I showed you in a previous video that I did the purple one, which I think is the collagen one. And these are just incredibly affordable. They, I think, were 75p when I picked them up. And I always pick up some of these. These are sheet masks and they're just so good. Of course, the famous Biodance. I actually picked up a whole pack and I only have of the blue one. The blue one is the hyaluronic acid one. Hydration, yeah, hyaluronic or hyaluronic, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but yeah, I really like the blue ones. I love the pink ones as well. These are kind of just classics and they're so popular online. Picked up a bunch of those. I also got loads of these for Christmas, so I've just had some ever since. Also picked this up. Is really popular in South Korea. It's one of their best-selling masks. I haven't had the chance to use it yet or try it. This one is the Toradon one, and again is hyaluronic acid. Maybe I should learn how to pronounce it so I can say it correctly. And then the last one, so these are all sheet masks, I believe, and then this one is one of those collagen ones. So it's from Sangbon Editor Deep Collagen Power Boosting Mask. Again, I've seen someone recommend this and I wanted to give it a go. I haven't tried it yet, so maybe I should try it soon. But yeah, I think it's really fun whenever I place a YesStyle order to just pick up some random masks, face masks to try out. So that is pretty much everything I picked up from YesStyle on this occasion. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like, thumbs up, comment on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you join the YouTube family. And yeah, I'll see you in one of my future videos. Until next time, take care and bye for now.